Okay, so here's a quick update on our pond and fish. And we do still have the fish that I found in the bird pond, and they're really enjoying the dome. I think they like it more now that it's all covered with algae on the inside. So that's the problem with these inverted aquariums or fish domes. Since they're up in the air, they become a big greenhouse, and all the algae and goo grows on the walls a lot faster than the rest of the pond. And then you get a lot of stuff growing in that airspace on top. Bubbles just naturally come up from the pond bottom, and then a lot of duckweed and things get sucked up in there, and it just decays and it makes kind of a weird mess in there. So you have to clean it pretty frequently or it looks junky like this now. They just go up there and hang out like it's a sauna because it gets really warm in the sun. And now that it's gotten a little colder outside, the algae content in the pond has gone down a little bit, so it's quite a bit clearer, so you can actually see the fish when they're down in the main pond. We do still have a leak somewhere, I think somewhere in this area in the swamp pond. I think some water is running out around the liner, so the pond level does go down a couple inches there. It's supposed to be right up to the rocks, but if I don't top it off every few days, it keeps dropping, so I still need to track that down. And the little sparrows and Tweety birds really love the pond. As you can see, there's a little bird bath area here. All this wet spot is from birds splashing around. So my pond's gotten low enough where the tension on this inverted aquarium is broken, and it's starting to empty itself. And the fish are not amused by that. They're still up in there, some of them, but they don't really like that. Alright, the dome's empty, so I'm just going to grab it and set it off to the side of the pond here. Someone in the comments asked me to do a follow-up on how our bonus fish are doing, and those are the ones that we found in the bird pond. There's one. They're a little harder to see because they're the black ones, but one just went across there. There's another one. You can see the goldfish pretty easily. And originally when I bought these guys from the pet shop, I think they were all black. There were just one or two of the gold ones, so they changed color quite a bit. So those younger fish that hatched out in the bird pond might change color eventually. We'll have to wait and see what happens with that. Alright, so I'm going to give this dome a quick scrub to remove all this goo on the inside, and then we'll rinse it out and put it back in the pond. Alright, we put the dome back in very carefully. Now I'll add a little bit of water to the pond so that it's a little higher. You don't want to use just raw tap water because it's bad for the fish. You want to use something like rainwater. So next I just have to use my special shop vac attachment and vacuum all the air out of that. So there you go, the fish dome is back in operation. And it's going to take the fish a minute to get comfortable with it again, but once they get up in there, you'll see them swimming around. And if you see any of the slightly smaller black ones, those are the bonus fish that grew up in our bird pond unexpectedly.